Hello guys, welcome back to our C++ tutorial series. Today we're diving into one of the fundamental building blocks of any programming language, the if statements. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will guide you from basic to advanced concepts. Let's get started. So an if statement allows your program to make decisions based on certain conditions. If the condition inside the parentheses is true, the code block inside the curly braces will be executed. If it's false, the condition will be skipped. Let's begin with a simple example. Here we'll check if a person is eligible to vote. So we're going to start by declaring our age. It will be of data type integer. Age, we'll initialize it to, let's say 20 for now. And then we'll write our if statement. If age is greater than or equal to 18, because in Uganda, that's the age that's eligible to vote. Then we'll print you are eligible to vote. We'll terminate. All right, let's run and see. Yeah, you're eligible to vote. So now let's see what happens when the age is 16. Nothing will be printed right there. So to do that, we can have what they call an else block. For it, it prints when the condition is false. So we'll just print out, cout, you are not eligible to vote. You're not eligible to vote. Right then, terminate. Let's run and see. We should be printing this else block instead of the if block. Right there, you're not eligible to vote. You can also nest if statements inside each other. Let's modify our program and make it check if your age is 18, we should also check if you have an ID. Let's start by declaring a new variable with the data type boolean, and we'll say has ID. As a boolean has two values, truth or false. So we'll have an if statement here. If I'm 18 years and above, the program should check if I have an ID, and then print I'm eligible to vote. There. We'll have an else statement checking if I don't have one, the program should tell me that I need one. So should print you need an ID to vote. Okay, let's run our program and see. All right, I'm not eligible to vote because our variable is still 18. We're still 16, sorry. We're still 16 years of age. So let's make it 21. Run. All right, we are eligible to vote because we are 21 and we have an ID. So let's see what if we don't have an ID. Let's make it false. The program will tell us that you need an ID to vote right there. We can use what they call logical operators to combine conditions whereby the if statement can check for more than one condition. We'll see that in this example. Let's just modify our application. Here, we'll create another variable. Okay, if age is greater than or equal to 18, and yeah, those are the operators, the logical operators. and has an ID and is registered. So we'll just print out, you can vote. So we're giving the user the permission to vote now because they're eligible, they have everything that's required. So we'll have an else if those conditions are all false, we'll print you cannot vote. So let's run and see how our program will work. Yeah, you can vote. I'm greater than 18. I have an ID and I'm registered. Let's make it false and see. If it's false, I cannot vote. Sometimes you need to check multiple conditions separately. This is where the else if statement comes in handy. In our next example, we're going to check the student's score and assign a grade based on their performance. We'll start by initiating our score variable, initialize it to 85%. Then we'll start our if statement, our first condition, score. If score is greater than or equal to 90, we'll print grade A. So from 90 and above, that's grade A. So let's copy paste this. So now we'll create our else if block where we'll have our second condition. I will check if score is greater than or equal to 80. Parenthesis, we'll print grade B. Have our third condition, else if score is greater than or equal to 70%. Here we'll print grade C. So then we'll have our else. Anything below 70, that will be regarded as grade F. This program checks each condition in order. Once a condition is true, it executes the corresponding code block and skips the rest. So let's run it and see. And then if we make it 55, it will print out grade F. If we make it 91, it will print grade A. Yeah. And there you have it. We have covered basics of if statements from simple conditions to more advanced scenarios using else, else if, nested ifs, and logical operators. Understanding how to control the flow of your program with if statements is crucial as you continue your journey in C++. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video.